Welcome back, guys. Today, here I'm going to show uh, how you can install, how you can place your device Poco X8 Pro Max. Here I wrote the 5 steps that will let you know. First of all, you need to download MediaTek software to install your yes MediaTek. It take times to download. After it is complete it work, okay, you need to download or require tools and drivers before starting anything else. You must be your PC must be ready. Let's download and install on your PC. So it's a MediaTek. I will not do on my device here at all because it I don't want to. I'm just showing how you can do yourself. Okay, so Xiaomi USB driver. Have you downloaded Xiaomi USB driver already? So Poco drivers or Xiaomi driver depends on your device. Okay. Here is our latest website. It's giving let's Poco X8 Pro. So this website haven't added this model at all. We will do something else. Okay, you can do yourself. Require to detect device in fast boot, which is in the MI flash tool. MI flash tool. Let's see. Its file size is 93 MB. Let's move to the another options. If this step is not working properly, official Jamie flashing software or ADB fastboot. Platform tools from Google, 7-zip and WinRAR. Okay, then download your driver from DME tools. Flash both are free. Show your audience to extract the page on the screen. Okay, let's move to the tracking page. Okay, second step is that how you can download. This is a stock ROM software which work on the MediaTek, which require scatter file. Not a MediaTek scatter file is required. It's done on the MediaTek Dimensity and 353 seconds. Okay, you can see the result. I will not download any software. Let's see. I will not download any software here myself. I am just showing you how you can do yourself. Currently, I have not that device. Okay, global stable ROM. Okay, India stable ROM, and then this same source. The scatter file is inside extractor. You do not download it separately. Extract the ROM zip and look for this. Second thing I would like to tell you that if you want to generate yourself, uh, the scatter file you can make using this Python code I made already, and it works like this. Okay, Python slash scatter file. So no scatter file found in the current folder. Please paste the full path to your firmware file below. Look like the path is not available in my PC currently. So we'll follow the next step. Enable fast boot mode on the device. First of all, you need to enable fast boot on your device. This step is critical, so you audience exactly how to do on the camera. So you need let's move to the okay. So third step is to do um, fast mode enable on your device. Go to settings. Yes, easy to for you. So go to setting about phone and tap MIUI version 7 times to unload device developer options. Okay, after that go to second again and then additional setting per second. After the additional setting and then developer option. Okay, enable the USB debugging and OEM unlocking. Now power of the phone, then hold the volume down plus power button to in and then um, enter the fast mode connected phone to the PC via original USB cable which you get from the uh, smartphone box. Okay, after that verification, verify connection, open CMD. This you can run CMD. Okay, it will show like this. Okay, and then fast mode device. And run fast boot devices. Run fast boot devices. Run is not recognized because I have not downloaded or installed any software currently in my PC. The software I downloaded, which is MI Flash. Okay, then it is here or here. Okay, then I don't want to install it all. It will show you like this. Select or refresh here. It will show you the status. So where I was, step 4. I would like to know. Step 4 is to flash the firmware using MI Flash tool. The software I already download MI Flash tool. Okay, this is the main flashing step. Walk your audience through each click slowly. Okay, open this. I did already run the administrator. Okay, click, select and browse to the extract firmware folder. The same is I did here. It will ask the zip file. MI software will auto detect the scatter file inside the folder. So I will tell you how you can generate your own scatter file with my official tool, which I will launch in next few days soon. Okay, then choose the file type, flash all, wipe data, or flash all except storage keeps data. So you need to choose one of them, like flash all wipes data or flash all except storage. So it will keep your data inside your phone. Let's move. Click on flash. The progress will bar will run through all parties. Like here, so you can check MI configurations, checkpoint, fast boot, and then drivers will install a driver. It is giving me option auto download the driver myself, but I don't want to do because I have not Poco X8 Pro device currently. So okay, and then click progress. Okay, wait for the green flash done success message. Do not close the window till you see green flash done message. Okay, the fifth step, I am gonna tell that you need to download Python, that is programming. Install that with choosing the add to path. Okay, for this I will add this one. This is the web code I generate. Okay, I am going to tell. This is the code I made myself. Okay, the code will be provided soon on the with the link. You need to download that code in your PC, and after that you need a software Visual Studio or Sublime Text 3. Open code file, and then where I then run your code in your CMD like I did here. So first load this. Okay, here it asks the firmware path like this, where you already have your zip file. I will let okay. So I have not currently zip file at all. It take file size and then extra firmware itself, source target. I each and everything it will do. It's my code. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you like it.